Good morning, state and high school students. Today we are going to cover understanding your PSAT test results. This is from the PSAT that you took back in the fall. After the video today, you will receive your score report and your question booklet. This was the book that you were allowed to write on during the test. You should have already seen and started the Understanding Your PSAT handout. You will keep your PSAT handout in your EPP folder as part of your collection of evidence. You get to take home your score report and test booklet. You can use it to study from for the SAT. Here is an example of the second page of your score report. This is where the majority of the information we are going to use is held. Your sheet may look a little different. This was just the sample copy. So let's break this sheet down. On this top section of your score report, you will see 3 different scores. The score on your left is your reading and writing scores combined, and your scores on the right are your math scores. The Oregon Department of Education has not yet told us what a passing score is. We hope to know by October of next school year. We will let you know if you pass essential skills through the PSAT. The center score are the 2 math, reading, and writing scores added together. This correlates to how the new SAT will score. So if you took the SAT on the same day as this PSAT, this is about how you would do. So if you don't like your scores, feel free to use the information from this video and from your score report to improve your scores for the future. A good way of knowing how well you did is to look at your percentile scores. This tells you how well you did in relation to others. A percentile is a number between 0 and 100 that shows you how you rank in comparison to other students. It represents the percentage of students in a particular grade whose scores fall at or below your score. So for example, a 10th grade student whose math percentile is 18 scored higher or equal to 18% of the 10th graders. So you will see 2 percentiles. The nationally representative sample percentile shows how your score compared to all other U.S. students in a particular grade, including all the students who don't typically take the test. The user percentile shows you how your score compares to scores for only some U.S. students in a particular grade, reduced down to the group of students who typically take the test. The other thing you will see are the college and career readiness benchmarks. This tells you how ready you are for college at the time of the test. So again, if you don't like your score, use this as an opportunity to study for the future. So red means you need to strengthen your skills a little bit. Yellow means you're approaching or almost ready, and green means you are ready for college and career level work in those subjects. As we move down the page, you will see different subscores that make up your full score. Command of evidence, words in context, expression of ideas, and student English conventions are all part of your reading and writing scores. Heart of algebra, which is basically Algebra 1 type skills, problem solving and data analysis, and passport to advanced math are all part of the math section. On the 3rd page, you will see a full breakdown of the areas you did well in and the areas you may need to strengthen. If you did well, you may want to take the PSAT as a junior. At the end of this year, counselors will ask you to sign up to take the PSAT test for the following year. There are some great scholarships out there, and you would be eligible for the National Merit Scholarship, which is well recognized throughout the nation. You would have to take the test as a junior to be eligible. The last page of your score report has a breakdown of each question. This includes the correct answer, your answer, the difficulty level, and which subgroup the question was answering. This is a good study guide for those who are interested in improving their skills. You can also study online at the website provided to you. This is great because it's an interactive website that helps you really focus in on the skills that you are really interested in learning. So thank you so much, Staten, for watching this video on how to read your PSAT test results. If you have any questions, your guide group teacher can email Miss Para so we can get an answer for you. Next, you will finish your handout using your results. Your handout will be placed in your EPP folder as a part of your collection of evidence, and you can take your score report and test booklet home. Have a great day, SHS.